Mim,
Hello.
you remember me?
Yes, I remember you.
How you doing?
Not bad.
Nice to see you.
Me too.
What do we got cooking tonight?
I'm going around there.
Okay.
I've got curry goat and fish, but the fish is all gone.
Ooh. That doesn't look gone. That's gone to you?
Yeah, some other for this.
There's only a couple. Oh, someone's already ordered
Yes,
it? Here.
yes.
Let's get up. See. Let's see if we can see it. See if you can see it. Can you see it in there?
Yeah. Fish.
Nice.
Nice, yes.
Okay, what's in this pot?
Rice.
Keep it on low?
Yes.
Yep. So sometimes when the fire isn't going, you just put it on there.
Yes.
Yep.
Just a minute.
How about these pots? Anything
is
cool
yam.
to look? Ooh, different kinds of yam. So you got like, is that, you got pumpkin,
Yes.
dumplings, I
I'm in
see.
a rush because
Oh, you are? Oh, my bad. I'm sorry.
Hurry, take it.
No, I got it. I'll come back.